Hello guys, this is Brenda Lee's Creations back again. So I got a different video for you now. So I showed y'all earlier my little concepts. They still sitting on the table back there because I had to leave and go to a minister's, not minister, but a ministry meeting where we serve women who are in an addiction home, or they like a recovery. So we serve them every other month. We go prepare a meal, have a meal catered in, and then we do an event, not an event, Lord help me, but activity with them. So I had to go and do all that. Now I'm back home, and in the meantime, I ordered a toy. I already have one of these, but I wanted another one that printed bigger. So what it is a button maker. So yeah, it's a button maker, and I ordered it because I got an order to make some buttons for someone. So this is what it is. It's a button maker. And so I have one that I ordered. God, it's been some years now. You see, it was before COVID. So we are talking about 8 years ago. I ordered the button maker and made some buttons. And this is the old one. This is the size of the old one. But I wanted one that was bigger. And so I ordered one that was 3 inches. I think this here, I guess it's about 2. When I measured, I think it was like about 2 inches and something. So I ordered one that is 3 inches. And this is what it looks like. It's still in the pack. So I'm gonna try to open it. So with this button maker, you get 100 pins, 100 buttons, and it comes. Okay, so this is the size. It's a nice size. And so my sister-in-law, she ordered this. She ordered some buttons. Her mother-in-law passed, and she wanted to have buttons for the funeral on Sunday. And so she called me the other day and asked me if I could make some buttons. So at the time, I told her, I said yes. But I gave her a price for these, which I told her $3. But I'm going to give her one of the bigger ones because, yeah, I'm going to give her a bigger one for $3, which she don't know that. That's what I'm going to do. So I am unboxing this gift tonight, because I'm going to make some buttons. Yeah, so the thing about it, the reason I ordered it, because the buttons she paid for this. So I'm good on that. So that's been paid for. So in this box, you get this booklet here. And this is filled with blank pages for you to tear out and print your image on this for the button. So you get that, and I have to look and see how many sheets. It may be like 100 sheets because you get 100 buttons. These are just some directions how to put it together. And these are the 10 caps. And these are the ones that you fasten it onto this. And this has the pin for you to pin it on. So you get 100 of those, 100 of the caps, and you get 100 of the little plastic things to go over the cap. What else is in here? Okay, so they give you adjustable circle cutter. When you print it, you can cut it out with this. But I was just thinking about printing and cutting it out with my silhouette to be done with it, but I might just go ahead and use that. And let's see what this is. This is part of the thing, the machine itself. So I'm going to put these back in there, and I'm going to pull out this. So this is it. I'm still working. Push this back some. And let's see, bring y'all down a just a tad. Bring you up then. Let's see, bring you down. Okay, there you go. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna let y'all watch me try to put this thing together. I'm trying to see if I need any type of screwdrivers or anything like that. Don't look like I do, so I'm gonna set this down here out of the way and see how this needs to be put together. It's pretty much already together. I think the only thing that I need to do from the other one that I have is just slide this part in. So the other one I have, it's a red one. Just take a little box of pieces. So I hope you all are fine tonight. And if you are new to this channel, go ahead right now, hit that subscribe button. While I'm taking stuff apart, just go ahead and click on it. And then hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload new content. Okay, so they give a sample of the button snapped and put together. So that's what it looks like. That's the pen. Okay, y'all, so here it goes. You know how we try to do stuff and we don't read the instructions. Okay. I'm just looking, trying to see. Where do I store it? Okay, that's once I got it together. Shows you how to make your button. And let's see. We got an A, we got a B. Okay. Says the button maker machine parts includes machine frame, one set of 32 millimeters mount, one set 58 millimeters mount, 2 pins. And this what they talking about these things here. So this is, wow, get back on there. I don't know which one that was on. See. Okay, all righty, y'all. Okay, so let me figure it out. Okay, y'all, so I got it assembled. And I start to take it. It's very simple. I'm not going to take it back or loose. Because I don't want this video to be long. But I had to slide it in here and hold this part up right there and push that down so that it'll go through. And so that's what I did. And so I have made some buttons. So these are all the buttons I have made. So she only ordered 11, but I went ahead and did 12 cups to fill up my paper. Keep from wasting. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just bring you in closer and make a button. And then I am going to get off this video and I'm going to bed. My sciatica is acting up on me, so I am going to go to bed. Okay, so what we have here, you have this side here, and you have this side. On this side, you place your 10 button down, and you put the picture on top of it. Let me pull it out. Place the picture on top of it, get it centered. And then you just add your clear plastic coat on top. And you have to be careful because they stick together. And just make sure you keep that center, that the whole 10, the button is covered. Slide it up under there. and you're going to pull your handle down and listen for the click. Once you do that, the picture is stuck under here. And so now it's time to attach it to the pin on. And so this part here, where you pin on, it face down. So we're gonna put that there, face down. And the one thing, I was watching a video and she was talking about how on the paper, the instruction they give you to have it centered, but then if you do, the button is kind of, when you pin it, it's kind of crooked, so you need to tilt it to the left just a little bit, not much, but just a little bit, about like that, and slide this back over there. Now you have these little holes here, and what you want to do is make sure that the pegs here meet up with the hole on this side. When you're doing this one, on the other, it does not matter for whatever reason. But here, you need to do that. And just press down till you hear a click. And when you hear that click, raise it up. And there's your button. Okay. All right, guys. I want to thank you for watching this little demo with my new toy that I received today. And so that I'm going to go ahead and finish up this order, call her so she can pick it up tomorrow, which is Saturday. The service for her mother-in-law is on Sunday. Thank you once again for watching Brenda Leach Creations. On this channel, you will see stuff like this as I get more into my creating my different things. My basket's been taking up a lot of my time, from doing that, but I'm gonna try to get back to posting some things as I do them. A lot of time I don't record that part, so I'm gonna start trying to record that part as well, just for others who out there may want to see it. Okay, so thank you once again. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video, upload new content. I just want to thank you once again for clicking on this video to see what Brenda Lee Creations is doing. So with that, y'all have a blessed night. We'll see you in the next video.